Hello everyone, Michael here with Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today I want to discuss what to do with your month-to-month residents following takeover. Depending on the percentage of month-to-month residents you have will ultimately determine your plan, but I wanted to share 3 things to consider. Number 1, renewals. Your plan should include the ability for current residents to renew in place. Of course, this depends on your business plan, but this could help minimize higher vacancy rates following takeover. In another video, I dive a little bit deeper into renewals, so be sure to check that out. Number 2, timing. If you are allowing renewals, don't offer the same lease length to all of them because you'll have the same problem with all of them coming due at the same time again. Instead, offer some 6, 9, and 12-month options at different rates so they come due at various times over the course of the next year. Also, you want to time the length of leases with the best leasing seasons for your market. You don't want all of them coming due in December and the units sit vacant for a month or so while you find new residents during the holidays. Number 3, loss to lease. You need to examine what the current lease rent is and how far off the market rent they are. The larger the delta, the higher the priority to turn the unit and get it leased at pro forma. This will also drive the length of the lease you'll renew them at if you don't give them notice to vacate. If they are $200 to $300 below market rent, perhaps the best option will be to put the resident on notice so you can turn the unit, release, and reduce your loss to lease. When you have a large number of month-to-month residents, the best thing to do is empower your property manager to come up with a plan, and then you can sit down with them, review it, and ensure it aligns with your business plan. Until next time, explore more, venture ways.
Woo!